fans, I'm Rajan, head of Qualcomm India. I'm super excited because there's just 10 days to go for the launch of Redmi Note 10 series smartphones in India. I'm proud to share that these powerful new smartphones from Redmi will be based on Qualcomm's Snapdragon platform and will feature some of the best performing processors. Brace yourself for a 10 on 10 reveal on 4th March.
What does it take to capture the big picture? The ability to grab the viewer's attention? Or the ability to bring the hidden details to the forefront? True power knows no bounds.